मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है दिस टॉपिक इज सेम चैप्टर और क्लास 8 मैथमेटिक्स chapter C numbers. Yesterday we have learned topic what series, sequence and series of a numbers. Now today I am going to explain about a concept 2, second concept, that is simplification. Simplification of numbers. How to solve the numbers in which my negative sign, bracket, curly bracket or bar are included, already included. Then how the procedure, how to solve. This is the concept second, that is simplification. First of all, this type of bracket is known as big bracket, big bracket. This type of bracket is known as curly bracket, curly bracket. This type of bracket is known as simple bracket, a small bracket, small bracket, and this is known as what? Bar bracket, bracket, or विनकुलम भी कहते हैं इसको, और विनकुलम भी कहते हैं, विनकुलम लाइन ब्रैकेट, बार ब्रैकेट, कर्ली ब्रैकेट. तो ये these are the brackets which are used in the numbers. And how to solve? The procedure of solving this simplification is only by using this. This is the what? Mass. This is a new word. V means this vinculum, yeah, bar bracket. Suppose 11 minus 3, there is a bar. Means you will solve this one. First, we will solve this one. After that, we will solve second bracket. Now, see here, VBO. V means this one. Second is bracket. Open the second one, O से off, D से division, M से multiplication, A से addition, and then subtraction, and then subtraction. This concept will be applied in the any question. So suppose I am giving you one question. Example. One example is, suppose 16 minus 7 in bracket, 16 minus 7 in bracket into big bracket 12 plus curly bracket 3 minus 11 minus 3 bar curly bracket and big bracket. Apply this way of this concept. So 16 minus 7, that is 9 here into 12 plus, first of all we will solve this one. So solve this one. 3 minus, this bracket also known as this one. So 11 minus 3, that is how much? 11 minus 3, 8. After that 9, 12 plus 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. It becomes minus 5. Now 12. 7, 9 into 7, 7 9 are 63. This is your answer. So this is the, we are applying this one. Vinculum first here, after that this curly bracket, after that this we will solve big bracket, and after in the last we will multiply together and we will get the solution. This is the one example of based on this concept number 2. Now come to the assignment 2. Now assignment 2. Come to the assignment 2. Assignment 2. According to the assignment 2, first question is question number first. Express the following numbers using brackets. Question number first is what? Sum of 48. Sum of 48 and minus 8 is multiplied by the by the difference of 12, by the difference. See, this is difference of 12 difference of 12 and 3. Apply the bond mass rule according to this. Mention this in the brackets. These numbers apply in the brackets. So first of all, sum of these two means 48 plus minus 8. This is the sum of 2 is multiplied by the difference of this. Whole this one is multiplied. So take bracket. This one is whole multiplied by the difference of 12 and minus 3. Yes. This is the word problem and it is converted in numerical. Numerically we can write this form, this question. Okay. So we can also use the same second question. This one for the first question. Second question is product of 10 and 12. See, product of 10 and 12. Product of 10 and 12 is subtracted from the sum of minus 720 and 3. Minus 720 and 3. Now change this into this form. Product of 10 and 12 like this is subtracted from. Now you take in bracket is subtracted from. Is this is subtracted from this one. From means this will be first and after that sum of minus 720 plus 3 and minus. This will be subtracted from this one. Product of this one is subtracted from this one. So from means this one. इसमें से निकालना है. We have to subtract from this one. Means this will be first and after that product will be second. So this is the second question. The second question. Now come to the second question of this assignment. Second question of this assignment. So students, please note all the assignment in your copy because I will check your copy in some way after few days. So maintain your copies neat and clean. Okay. Now come to the question number second. Question number second. Second question. Simplify. Second one is find the value of. Find the value of. First one is second first. Second first is minus 21 divided by 7. Sorry, minus 7 plus 26 divided by minus 2 divided by minus 2 into 5. See, this is the question. First of all, according to the B, O, D and A, S, this is nothing or line bracket. There is no bar bracket, line bracket. So after that, B bracket open. Means first of all divide both. 7 3 is 21 and minus, when we cancel out in division like this, minus 21 divided by minus 7. Minus cancel out, 7 3 is 21. So answer will be after this solution of this one is 3 plus C 26 divided by minus 2. Here see 26 divided by minus 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. And here is minus, it will be shifted to upper side to the numerator, means it becomes minus 10. So here minus 13 and here into 5. Now multiply 39 65. So minus 65 and minus 65 and plus 3 will get what? 65. It becomes minus 62. So this is your answer, minus 62 for the second first question is minus 62. Okay, this is the, so note it down, watch this video. After watching the video, you will note this solution in your copy with the writing the question. Okay. Now question number second. Come to the question number second. Question number second is question number second. See 5 minus 5 big bracket 5 minus curly bracket again 5 minus small bracket 5 minus 5 and all the brackets are closed. This is the question. So this question, first of all, we have to solve bracket. This one, this bracket, small bracket. After that, curly bracket, and after that, big bracket. So here 5 minus curly bracket minus 5. See, this minus and this plus cancel out or 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. It remains here what? Minus 5. So in the bracket it becomes minus 5. Right? After that, 5 minus curly bracket, open this bracket. It becomes 5 plus 5. Minus plus 5. Sign changes. Now 5 minus 5, this becomes 10 and open this bracket. Minus 10. Now solve big bracket. 5 here minus 5 minus 5. Now minus plus 5, this become 10. So your answer is 10. By solving this method, you can solve all the questions of this chapter. third part. I am solving question number third part. There are only 3 questions in this assignment. 1, 2, 3. Each having parts. I am solving only 2 or 3 parts. So, and you have to solve all the parts in your copy. Okay. Now see question number third question. And the concept is same in all the questions. 9 plus 6. See, 9 plus curly bracket, 6 plus 7 of 3 minus bracket 9 plus 2 minus 6 divided by 12. Bracket closed and then curly bracket also closed. So this is the question. Third question. Okay. See. First of all, according to this, BODMAS. This is not here in this. B bracket, you can solve bracket. O means off becomes multiplication. Off becomes multiplying. As you know that, where anywhere off is there, then you can multiply directly. 7 into 3, 20. Now 9 plus 6 plus 7 3 21 minus curly bracket 9 plus 2 minus 6, there minus sign, 6 2 12, curly bracket 2 minus 2 0, it remains same, 9 plus 21 and 6 27 minus here C, plus sign minus sign becomes 0, because it will cancel out, only 9 is remaining, 9 and 27 plus minus 6, 21, 7 3 21 plus minus 6. Can I change the question? 9 plus 6, 7, 6 plus 7 plus of 3, 9 plus 2. Sorry, here it is not 12, it is 2. It is my mistake, it is 2. So, 2 divided by 6, 9 plus 2, it becomes minus 3. 2, 3 is 6. Now, 9 here becomes minus 1. So, 27, after 27, bracket, see, 9 to 11, 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, 8. Open the bracket, it becomes 8. Now 27, open all the bracket, 9 plus 27 minus 8. Now subtract both of them, 9 minus 8, 1. That will become 1 plus 27 is your answer.